This video will go from this to this using this. These? Nah, whatever. Alright, so it's time to change the oil in Expedition, and I realize I haven't done an oil change video on it yet, so we're going to get started and do just that. And all you're going to need is an oil filter wrench, 16mm socket, at least that's what this one is in my case, and drain pan, ramps. If it's full drive, you may not even need ramps. Wheel chock so you can safely get underneath the car. And we're off. How's that? Okay. And again, oh, you may want to warm the oil up just a bit. And I'm going to swing this back just a little bit. And I just hope y'all can see that. Yeah. There we go. Oh, you know what? I messed up. Okay. Forgot the gloves. I hope this doesn't hit the camera. That would suck. Pretty close. Alright, let that drain out for a little bit. And while it's draining, it's a good time to check underneath the car, make sure everything looks good. Okay. Now it's finished draining. I'm going to put the oil plug back in. Maybe. Maybe I won't. Who knows? Tighten it down good. Clean that off. Alright, then onto the oil filter. Make sure that there's no gasket right here, because you definitely don't want two gaskets on this. And we'll wait for that to quit draining. Okay, next I like to use a paint pen to put the mileage and everything on here. Also, just so you can see it from inside the car. These things are like $3 a roll off of Amazon. Of course, there'll be a link down there to that and everything else used here. And 151/400. And today's date. Just like so. So while this is finished and draining, you might want to put some oil into the filter before you put it back in. I have done that and I have not done that. And it doesn't really seem to matter much to me. There's a good reason to do it, because then you won't have a little bit of starving right there when you first fire it up for that half a quart or so. And on this filter, it's perfectly fine to do that because it goes straight up, thankfully. Those that go in sideways, it's a little bit more of a hassle to try to fill the filter up. In fact, those I rarely do that on. One thing you definitely want to do though is take some oil and put around the gasket before you put the filter on. Help seal it up and help keep it from sticking. And I'm going to go ahead and put it on now. I think that's good enough. And of course, only hand tighten. I usually grab it with the pliers and give it just a little bit of a pull with the pliers because of, you know, oil in the hands and whatnot. You're really not supposed to have to do that. Just like so. Don't tighten it down a whole lot. I'm going to go back and verify. Yep. And all that up. Alrighty, next just add oil, right? And this truck, I believe, holds 6 quarts. And it's recommended to use 520. However, some people say 10W20 or 10W30. I'm not even going to get into that debate. I'm going to go with what Ford recommended is 520. Had good results with it, so I'm just going to keep on using it. Alright, let's see you up on top. Okay, next we're going to add oil. One day I'll replace that funnel with one that's not 4 feet long. Okay, so this is 5 quarts. You can see how many quarts you poured in right here. Of course, the first 5 will just go straight in. Just for grins, I'll go ahead and check the oil with 5 in. Yeah, so it shows good right now. However, the truck has not been started just yet. So that means there's no oil in the filter or no oil anywhere around it. So I'm going to fire it up real quick, check for leaks, and then put that last quart in. Just kind of waited for it to pressure up. Oh yeah, make sure it's on a level surface too. Even though this truck is on ramps, it's actually level because of the way the driveway is. Or level enough anyway. So yeah, it's quart low. Okay, now I need to do about another quart. So again, you can see it right here. About half. There we go. Go back over and recheck it. It is hot out here today. That's good. It's right there, in case you can't see it. Hopefully you can see that okay. So that's good. Might want to throw a little bit more in there. That is good enough. I'm going to go throw just a tiny bit. There we go. Now button her all up, check for leaks. Okay, I'm going to fire it up and check for leaks. You guys holler if it starts squirting oil out, okay? No leaks, so time for the cleanup. Be sure to dispose of the rags in a fireproof container, a metal trash can made for this, because you know, I don't want your house to go poof on me. I need all my viewers. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel, maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.